On this episode of the Studebaker Restoration, I sandblast the headlight cover, bucket, and some of the internals. Anyway, stay tuned. So here is the end result. It looks pretty good. I'll get some paint on that soon. That's that one. This is the other side. I think this actually might be the other bucket that goes to this, I don't even know what to call that. Anyway, that body panel, because it doesn't quite fit in there right, so I think it's the other side. But this one's not too bad. I had some spots up in here that I needed to get. It's just I can't get underneath, so it'll just have to stay. I'll slather it on there with some Pour 15. I think I'm going to put that all over and into the buckets. If some of you guys don't know what Pour 15 is, it's a rust inhibitor. It's probably one of the better ones on the market. So, but this isn't going to be visible, so it's not a big deal. This one, on the other hand, I was having, I don't know if you could tell when I was blasting, but I had some issues with some moisture in the line, and then I had issues with some of my, I guess stuff was getting clogged up into the blaster, basically the siphon tube, because it just siphons. Essentially what it does is just siphons. It just siphons the stuff immediate. It comes down there. So what I did was I had an old screen. I had to put it down in there. I went ahead and filtered everything back out, but what it does is it catches all this bigger chunks that get stuck in here, which then will close up the nozzle. So that was kind of the goal of that. It actually worked out pretty well with the buckets. Didn't have any issues. The moisture in my line, I went ahead and put a, I already had an inline oil filter on there, or inline water separator. But I had it at the end of the line. So at this time I put it on the beginning of the line up near the compressor, and so far it's worked a lot better. I'll probably be building a water catcher that kind of just goes up against the wall out of PVC. Never really had to deal with it until now, but it'll be good. Anyway, stay tuned for more blasting videos. Most of it, what I'm going to be doing is just kind of getting that stuff. If I do one bucket, if I have two of the same part, I'll probably just do one of them just to move it right along, and then hopefully get started on the actual body work on the cab, and I'll be blasting that at some point as well. So stay tuned, and just keep out lookout for videos. All right, until next time.